Grand Old Opry knew that it would go. Been talking about it since before my daddy's born. But ain't nobody listens to what a poor man has to say. But down here we wash by the water can't wash us away. I hear people talking, say I should have been gone, but I ain't got nothing but this place to call my home. My father and his father stayed until the dying days. And down here we'll wash by the water can't wash us away. And down here we'll wash by the water can't wash us away. Put it back together with our own two hands. Ain't nobody gonna turn us around. It's all a little empty and it all seems broken down. Oh Lord, we so could use you now. And then the president came down and said, things is awful sad, but ain't no words from that man gonna bring us nothing back. But in the ghost of church bells,